Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also gave Dasya, Sakhya, Vatsalya, all the modes gave. But we are not considering that thing. We are considering the highest thing what he gave. That is our concern. The Rupa Goswami Pada explained this highest thing, Unnata Ujjvala Rasa. And where is it available? It is available with one Rupanuga Guru, with Rupa Goswami Pada only. That's why the young Kali Rupa, Rupa Manjari, Rupa Goswami Pada would not appear in before us in this world. That Braja Prem, especially Unnata Ujjvala, it was locked. Rupa Goswami Pada opened that door and distributed. How he distributed? Braja Prem Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributed. Mahaprabhu could give by his glance directly. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was Aprakat Leela. Mahaprabhu already done his Aprakat Leela. Mahaprabhu is, but he is present through Rupanuga Gaudiya. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, which he came to give, how will get? What is the process to get? That process given by Rupa Goswami. Essence of all advice, he gave the instruction, the highest instruction. What is that? Tannama Rupa Charitadi Smrutya Kramena Rasana Manasi Nijajya Tishthan Braje Tadanuragi Jananugami Kalam Nayat Iti Akhilam Upadesha Saram. You will remember this. It's the essence of all the advice of Rupa Goswami. We should not forget this. It's very, very important. This is the sadhana. So whatever we are doing in Gaudiya Math or anybody under guidance of our Gurudev, we are following on basis of this sloka. Only we are doing what Rupa Goswami has given. The Nama Rupa Charitadi. This verse, our acharyas have given very wonderful commentary. If you read the commentary of Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, very, very wonderful commentary. All the sadhana to attain that Rupanuga path fully, to get that Raganuga Bhakti, the Rupanuga Bhakti, the secret process of bhajan is given in this sloka. Secret process. Tadanuragi Jananugami. Those who have that anurag, those who are Rupanuga, Vaishnava, those who have deep attachment for the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika, like I explained, like Raghunath Das Goswami had. Our Gurudev had them. So when that anuragi jananugami means when you completely follow and remain under their guidance, Tannam Rupa Charitadi, under his guidance, what will do? Then you chant Harinam. Somebody is fully under Gurudev's guidance. Fully understand Gurudev is that Rupanuga Acharya as serving Sri Rupa Manjari in intimately and externally as Rupanuga Acharya. So then releasing Krishna's name, form, qualities, hearing Harikatha, Bhagavatam, all this. Tannam Rupa Charitadi Sukirtananu. Chanting, glorifying, hearing the Harikatha, everything under his guidance, fully under guidance. That mood will come. Smritya Kramena Rasana, fully engage his tongue and ear, all senses fully in serving. Smritya Kramena Rasana Manasini. Tishtana Braje, staying in Brajadham. According to one's adhikar and mood, staying in Vrindavan. If physically somebody is incapable, but at least in mind and heart, always in Vrindavan. It's not easy. Tishtan Braje, then completely under guidance, Tadanuragi Jananugami, that Rupanuga mood, that Gurudev, under his guidance, fully following his footsteps, then doing all the sadhana, chanting, remembering, hearing, anything we are doing, what we are doing now, everything. When you will do properly, then you will attain that bhakti. That Unnata Ujjvala will appear in your heart.